Contenders to finish on top of the points table of this Pool A. Wales University haven't lost a match yet, and they are here to snatch that. That's good to see that A. Bharti comes across. Welcome, good morning. To left of our screen, Sagar Panchal will give the go-ahead, and Navneet. And this is a contest between two good coaches. More than these two good teams on the paper, it's two good coaches who will be contesting against each other.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल ये दर्शाता है कि कोचेस का जो महत्व है, जो इम्पोर्टेंस है, वो कभी कम नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि कोचेस यहाँ पे कार्ड्स कॉल करते हैं कि कौन खिलाड़ी अंदर आएगा, कौन बाहर जाएगा, किस तरीके से स्ट्रैटेजी होगी, गेम स्लो होगा या फास्ट होगा। लेकिन यहाँ पर शुरुआत हो गई है 88 नंबर। ही इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग
the captain. Correct. Captain versus captain. Always has good control over his pursuits. Sometimes it is hot. It is also warm at times, but never cold. It's always a hot or a warm pursuit that he puts in.
Let us save 1 point. Wales University.
जी हाँ, आखिरी क्षणों में नवीन
Number 55
बिल्कुल
out.
आखिरी क्षणों में वहां पे बहुत आसानी से पॉइंट दे दिया, और अजित को जो चाहिए था, वो एक बच्चा होता है ना, उसको चॉकलेट चाहिए होता है।
What that pursuit has allowed from Ajit is he's got that hot pursuit. He's converted that pursuit into a raid point, and that is why the do or die raid is now first against NA Academy. And Dinesh Krishnamurthy knows this. He's been in this situation earlier as well. He knows to get a bonus or a touch point. But can this be Wales's testing times? Oh, hang on, Ajit manages himself to stay inside the match. Does not
1
manage
point.
to escape.
Wales University.
It all happened in a nick of like 4 to 5 seconds. They want to check. They want to check if a defender went out. Yeah, there. Dinesh Kumar was confused whether to go for the back dupki or whether to escape. Back. He's also very clearly told Dhansekar that see how the left cover is standing across. He's standing a little outside. That is, now in that position of Abhinand Subhash. So he said, just try and fake a bonus and Santosh will fall on you. Exactly what Divakaran said. But he did not use the lob to escape. Navneet. Exactly what Divakaran
Wales
mentioned.
University.
You just see what is the left arch doing. That's what he said. Abhinand Subhash is standing outside. Attempt a fake bonus on Santosh Srinivasan. He did not. And then he said, lob, use pani veliyavala. That's all. Use the lobby and come out. He did not do. Couple of points what Divakaran said. And Dinesh finds himself on the mat, on the bench. And now in a do or die raid.
Let it out.
Yeah.
1
Bharathiya
point.
Maran
NA
is
Academy.
just tackled out. Just a second tackle point and no raid point.
रेड के लिए क्या डू और डाई रेड में पहला यहाँ पे पॉइंट ले पाएंगे दिनेश या नहीं, ये देखना है। अपना वक्त ले रहे हैं, वो इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि जो ऑपोजिशन है वो गलती करे, लेकिन दिनेश यहाँ पर फंस गए हैं
1
बहुत आसानी
point.
से।
Wales University.
Amazing work from Santosh Srinivasan. The Nilgiri Knights right corner defender working out very nicely for Wales University. The timing of the ankle hold was precise and the double ankle hold. Have any clue to escape. The do or die raid under the arms. Jet goes and it's a wipeout. NA Academy have been swept off here without a red point. And you can't stop Jet with such hasty tackles, Navneet, isn't it?
All in.
Look at that escape. Look at that for an escape. Wow. Deepak had no clue. He's my trip kabaddi Kamal moment for sure. We've seen,
जी हाँ,
yeah, we've seen teams without tackle points getting all out. But this is something very unique and very rare. I mean, without a raid point. That's a first ever raid point. Couple of them.
NA Academy.
Right.
Number 8 and 7 out.
Finally. But very rare that a team has been all out without a raid point. It seldom happens, isn't it, in kabaddi?
Substitution.
But
NA
still,
Academy. Please come.
Dhansekar is good. He's tasted some
88.
success. We've seen KR Sports struggle with tackle points because they don't have proper defenders. But here, it's a different story altogether. NA Academy are struggling with the raiding unit because originally they only have 2 raiders. That's all. I mean, that's very wrong. Here, Manikandan Subramanian from the left cover.
1 point.
Stops Jet
Academy.
Pasupati. He knows what the movement of Jet is. And he's got a little hammering on his forehead. We have JSS College of Physiotherapy Mysuru to come in for his support. Yeah, lovely time.
मोमेंटम को कम किया.
Correct. Correct. Very correct. Satish Kannan has come in from the bench. Right. From what we see is NA Academy's a small victory. And a double ankle hold. Fabulous work.
Let it out.
Gautam
1
Matheeswaran.
point.
He's a
NA
defender on
Academy.
that right corner. He's taken off the best raider of Wales University
Raider.
from the context of the
Raider
game.
and Academy.
Navneet, the reason I said it's a small victory for NA Academy because
Half time. Change the
Kuba
code.
Arasu- Yeah, it's a half time and it's 14 all. What a match we have on our hands. Kuba Arasu- yeah, slightly better on the raiding front for Wales because they've got more raiders, Vasan, Satish Kannan, and all that they need to do is Tansekar to keep on getting the raid points. Navneet, he's done it before for Palni Tuskers. He needs to do it again.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. और क्या यहाँ पे
Has he?
एक और पॉइंट मिलेगा या नहीं?
Raider safe. 1 point.
रेडर
Oh,
से
yes.
एक
Number
पॉइंट.
33 out.
Only one. Only one.
Red.
They say Abhinand Subhash, the left cover defender who went into dash.
दो अंक जोड़े हैं वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी ने.
Yeah, correct. And what did I say? The next raid for NA Academy can be tricky. Is this? It's a do-or-die raid. It's a super tackle situation. All out on the cards. Ajit commits a big blunder. He goes the attack outside the back line. Oh, hang on. It's not over. It's going to be an all-out. What a good
Raider
thinking from
safe.
Tansekar.
2 plus 2, 4 points. NA
Fabulous
Academy.
thinking.
All out. Wales University.
Wow, have you seen this ever before against Wales? No. No team has done this.
All in.
Tansekar first utilizes the big blunder against Ajit. He's my definite Kabaddi Kamal moment. And then he does not go out. He pushes Ajit out and then attacks Santosh Subramanian. Divakaran will be a happy man. It's all happening here. It's a do-or-die race. Satish Kannan comes in again under a pressure situation. Wow. Navneet, it's like you are the mightiest player of the team and you are crushed under your own weight. That's what
Raider
happened to
safe.
Ajit.
1 point.
But yeah,
Wales
this is
University.
okay.
Number
Only
55 out.
1 point given away because they said, okay, we don't want to give away extra points. And also, this is a strategy. I'll tell you what. Divakaran now needs to take the bonus account. Take a bow. Yesterday, I've been told he's executed something similar to this. And now see the bonus is off. Satish Kannan struggles. He's been dashed out.
Raider.
This is Divakaran's strategy. That's it. You keep the bonus off.
Raider out.
And the
1
Raiders
point.
need to
NA
come in
Academy.
deeper and deeper. Wales need the raid points. And this is the strategy Navneet I was talking about. Switch the bonus
Clear,
off.
clear.
He attacks the right corner.
जी हाँ, डू और डाई रेड यहाँ पे धनशेखर आए हैं. और फिर से एक बार अगर आप देखोगे तो 2520 यानी कि स्कोर में बहुत ही नजदीकियां बढ़ गई है. प्रेशर मैच 4.5 मिनट का और क्या मध्य रेखा क्रॉस किया
Raider
है.
safe.
Yeah.
1 point. NA Academy.
जी हाँ,
Wow. Tansekar Navneet. He's been the star of this match and NA
Do
Academy.
or die.
There, he fakes the bonus, comes across. Abhinand Subhash does not stop him. And now it's a do-or-die raid. Satish Kannan can't take the pressure. He had to
1
go in
point.
deep.
NA
And I'll tell
Academy.
you what, from I think the last 8 minutes, 9 minutes, there is no bonus on offer.
Red.
NA Academy and Divakaran have played with the defense of 5 for a very long time. That has brought about the
ले गए हैं. स्कोर 7 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस और अब अंडर 1 मिनट. यानी कि अब ये देखना है कि वो 7 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस 8 पॉइंट का हो पाता है या नहीं.
Raider out. 1 point. NA Academy.
Wow! Navneet, what was that? Did I really believe my eyes that happened? It's a solo tackle from Arun Kumar Arumugam, the captain of NA Academy, against Ajit. Oh, if you are so destroyed inside your mind, see what can happen.
और अगर आप सोचेंगे
from NA Academy. हाँ.
और अगर आप सोचेंगे कि एक खिलाड़ी ने पकड़ा है तो टेक्निकली वहां पे सुपर टैकल नहीं था, लेकिन वो सुपर टैकल की तरह था।
बिल्कुल, बहुत बढ़िया टैकल था। It was
1
a
point.
phenomenal,
West
spectacular
University.
tackle.
Number 88 out.
And Santosh Srinivasan gets a solitary point. What is the score difference? Keep it above 6. Keep it above 6. That's what you'll have to do. 7 and above. Yeah, that's better. Navneet, what is it? 22-29.
Yeah, 22-29 और 7 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस।
Yeah, I think
Match over.
7 points. Wales University will get 1 point out of this. Oh, but what a loss. First loss. In the second half, I think the Raiders of NA Academy did really better than the Wales University's Raiders, and especially